Right here at the Abuja International Airport, WSO and SafERR Global Network are on ground spreading safety awareness. They're teaching people what to do in emergency situations, including how to perform chest compressions. Because in a real emergency, the right action at the right time can save a life.
Somebody who has lost consciousness. So, to perform CPR, you are using the heel of chest, external bone. See, press it here. Since I can go inside corner, those cartilaginous, bone. So that's the same number. Use your breasts. See, so you cross it center. That's what goes down. The heel of the palm is here. You walk through the other one. How I take things. My whole body is almost covering the body. It's not far away like the so I can apply direct brain. Called direct critical plate. Now, the first cell. It is part. Scarce myself. Slowly. I'm using my body weight to walk up and down. So now, one handed. Don't forget the heel of your palm. Forget that my hand is here. Yes? And support with it. So I go. Are you seeing? Yeah, that's all. Are you seeing my two hands? Yes. My elbow is locked. It's not bending. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. So I'll go and I might come up. Let me see. 1, 4. So I'm just happy. Don't forget that this head is going to Jesus. Yeah. Up. Come on, learn. Don't press it, please. Up. Yeah. So the air can go in. So when I click, if it comes up, show that it's taking in air and beating out there. If it goes inside and it doesn't come out and it's flat, you show that something's blocking the air from coming. So it's even more effective than be blowing air. Except you have bad. So 1, 3, 30. Okay, that's 20, but 30 to death. But now, you leave the mouth to mouth because sometimes I always say, I don't put mouth of person. But you do the compression. When you do the compression, care with my legs.
Yes, I'm here with them. I'm here at the Abuja airport. That's where we are. And these people are going to it's good to know that people will be interested to learn because it's about life and life-giving things. Come along and learn with us. See what that's the country director himself of the World Safety Organization doing this. And this is Hassan Emmanuel, at the airport to learn.
Come on.
So you do his own. After that, she will come and do.
No. 4, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Listen to me. See what you'll be keeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But allow your hand to form up so that I can have a recoil. Okay. The blood will recoil, like refill. You understand? Yeah. The balloon will refill before you press again. That's the idea. So when you have the picture in your mind, it helps. Let's go. You are not getting what I'm saying. As you put your hand, I want to get it very well. You put your hand, you go one. Let your hand bounce out. Even though you are not leaving it. Don't leave your mind, let your hand bounce out. Don't maintain your hand there. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, let the heel of your palm. Oh yeah, let's go.
Don't bend the shoulder. That's
So let's go in the reading now. Fast. Fast. That's what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let it be deep.
For instance, now
You must let it be deep. So listen now.
let it no stop.
No, you must not stop in that test.
Okay. No
You
stop.
stop in the test. Chances are it will not be effective. Now you're pushing something. You're taking a reading to push it. If you now slow down, it becomes almost ineffective. What you're doing when you now start, like air will enter in between.
Yeah.
So you picture doing something consistent and doing something avatar.
I think
Not give you the same results. So let's go again.
platform. So thank you, country director. You want to talk to me what you just did now at the international airport and at the local airport of Abuja? Come on.
Okay, it's simple. We just did a little simulation for Mr. Emmanuel. You know, a wonderful gentleman that has assisted us, you know, in the course of us using the metro line. You know, where we wanted to do something very expanded. That would be some other time. We felt him being around, we need to pass that knowledge to him and let him at least know something so that he can do something in case of emergency. And so by this little exercise today, we believe we'll be able to pass activity knowledge to you.
Critical, not just the critical knowledge.
In case of emergency. And act as a first responder to help his other colleagues and his organization to preserve life. The idea is to promote public health and safety, saving lives
Everywhere.
And our mantra is where 2 or 3 are gathered, at least a SafERR ambassador should be in there. I mean, somebody that have gone through our advocacy program, our trainings, you know, expanded in several ways that can do something before advanced life support arrives or is attained. And so that's what we just do for Mr. Emmanuel today, and we're grateful to God for the opportunity to do that. And the mannequin was available, and he deployed that. He could actually have a certificate on, you know, CPR for that, answering CPR for just what he did now. It's very important. And to us, on our advocacy in the SafERR program, SafERR network, is very important to us. So lots of people fly the metro line of the international airports, you know, in Abuja every day. And so when something comes up and is on the sheet, we have the confidence that
He can do something.
yes,
when he sees
save
something.
life. And so we're grateful for the opportunity. Thank you, Dr. Wilson, for doing this recording. And thank you again.
My pleasure. My pleasure all the time.
Cheers. See you on the other side.
God bless you, really good sir. Thank you. And so that's it is. Well, at the Nandesco Airport in Abuja, this was done to save lives, to contribute to the quota of saving lives. God bless you, sir, for that. Mr. Manuel, what do you have to say? Hassan, want to say something? Have you learned something?
Sure. Honestly, I learned a lot because this is my first experience. Sometimes I've been watching, seeing this kind of thing in a movie, but I never come against such a thing in life. But this is my first time in life. Actually, I practice it by myself. And really, I learn it and I understand what life is like. Because even to bring back someone that is needed an emergency attention, you need that energy. Because I use all my energy and I see that tears. It's very, very important. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Doctor. I appreciate it.
God bless you real good. We appreciate you. Well, that's what we do every time. See a life, stay alive. Know what to do at all times. Don't ever think training one person at a time is too small. This one person you train could be the one to save the next lives around about you. God bless you, really. Thank you, sir.
At World Safety Organization and SafERR Global Network, our mission is to promote health and safety, saving lives everywhere. Our mantra is simple. Wherever 2 or 3 are gathered, there should always be a SafERR ambassador, SafERR volunteer, an advocate, and an enthusiasm in their midst. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more life-saving tips.